Unleashing enthusiasm. The power of stand up and cheer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's all about expressing excitement and support. Stand up and cheer. It's a phrase that captures the spirit of encouragement and joy, and we're here to break it down for you. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love diving into idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Stand up and cheer is a phrase that combines two actions, stand up and cheer. To stand up literally means to rise from a sitting or lying position to a standing one. Meanwhile, cheer involves shouting out words or making noises to show approval or support, often associated with happiness or excitement. When put together, this phrase is commonly used to motivate people to physically stand and express their enthusiasm and support loudly and energetically. This phrase is often used in sports events and performances, where the audience is encouraged to show their support for a team or performer. However, its use isn't limited to these scenarios. It can also be applied in any situation where there's a call to show strong support or happiness for someone's achievements or success. For instance, in a graduation ceremony, you might hear someone say, "Let's stand up and cheer for our graduates." This is a call to the audience to rise and applaud the achievements of the graduating students. Stand up and cheer goes beyond its literal meaning to embody a culture of support and enthusiasm. It's a reflection of the human tendency to come together and celebrate achievements and moments of joy. In many cultures, standing up is a sign of respect and admiration, making this phrase a powerful tool for expressing collective pride and joy. While stand up and cheer is a popular way to express encouragement, there are other variations and similar phrases that also convey support and excitement. Phrases like, "give them a big hand," "round of applause," and "cheer them on" are often used interchangeably, depending on the context and the level of formality. Stand up and cheer is more than just a call to action. It's an expression of support, unity, and joy. It reminds us of the importance of showing our enthusiasm and backing for those who are performing or achieving. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and significance of this vibrant phrase. Don't forget to stand up and cheer for those around you. And, of course, for yourself too. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep learning, and keep cheering.